Right now it's actually the day after I came home from Knoxville, but only like an hour away from my parents. So turns out my mom has COVID and pneumonia, but she was only on oxygen for like 12 hours and got off of it and seems to be okay, is being discharged right now. My dad has COVID and tomorrow they're going to go work on getting that taken care of, so that's good. Yeah, it was just it was a good time to it was nice to get out of the state for even just a little bit. Right now I'm at a lake near the town I've been staying at. Just gonna walk around, check it out.